In the past decades, many old houses in our region were demolished due to the urbanization. My grandma's house was one of them. Since last year, I have visited those villages, hidden away from the cities, seeking for what I remembered about my grandma's house. With the photos captured from those villages, we use the reality capture to align them, calculate the 3D models, and texture them. With reality capture, our local past and memories came alive. We were able to reproduce the objects, buildings, even the landscapes, which encapsulated our memories about the past. With all these 3D assets, I'm reconstructing my grandma's house in the virtual environment. There's nothing special about the house. It is special about the time. It is about our local memories. We would like to let local communities to have a second chance to travel back to the home they are longing for.